Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the guide for the coolest Wild West look inspo in Dress to Impress. Whether you are a gritty outlaw, a charming salon girl, or a tough cowboy, this theme is all about rugged style and frontier spirit. Now let's just get started to make this look. Now for the hair color, I'm using blonde and I'm using the bang from this updo combined with this two wavy hair. Now let's put on the cowboy hat first. Here I'm going to use a pattern for the hat. This pattern's right here combined with some dark brown color. Now let's go to the dressing room first. With the use the top from this set in here, number 4. Change the color into brown. Then go to put on the skirt. This skirt in here, the first preview, you can use patterns or color, but for me I'm going to use this patterns right here. Next one, black, and then I'm going to use the dark brown color. Like this. Now you can go out, and first I'm going to put on the shoe. This puts in here and change the color to dark brown color, and I'm going to use this tops right here, dark brown color combined with this color here. For the trim, I'm going to use the dark color lace, this one, including the accent. So this will be the final for the Wild West theme in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.